What is IPS? IPS stand for Intrusion Prevention System, is a security technology which is used for intrusion prevention system, monitors network traffic for potential threats, and automatically takes action to block them by alerting the security team, terminating dangerous connections, and removing malicious content, or triggering other security devices. The detection method employed may be signature or anomaly-based. Predefined signatures are patterns of well-known network attacks. The intrusion prevention system compares packet flows with the signature to see if there is a pattern match. Anomaly-based intrusion detection systems uses heuristics to identify threats. For instance, comparing a sample of traffic against a known baseline. Remember, when an intrusion prevention system detects a threat, it logs the event and reports it to the Security Operations Center, often through a security information and event management tool.